Sampai lah beta tiu yang tuana kamunang. Kanda roa bandoa ni lo baturang. Kailai. Kada dauan on tama tua.
Nakamna sa kadi bonua. Nakamna sa kana on turang na tinulo. Na yung
Naturangan natui Nadogo, Ratu Ilisaniti, Malodali, distinguished guests, ladies, gentlemen, and students. Bola prayer.
Robe todo chingando na bosa ni boga binak. Na bikin da bagi boga turang aba bono mai kinda bagi sa chicken ne la ko matentu. Ngusi kito sa chingona single boni kuang. Na chingona turang na minista. Na turang na komisna. Na bugu ni boni bol tunde ni tamban ni buli. Ira ka sarna buli selesi boga matentu rasala ba sa chingoma ni la ngo. Na kana mai ndolo sa chingona Technical College Macuata Idake campus. Masung musik kemam todo sa katungin na boga binak. En weekend da bagi boga turang aba bonua. May kinda bagi sa chicken ni lolang. The Honorable Minister for Education, turang na tuyo Nadogo, members of Nabo Lebu Sanatam Daram Committee, the head of campus, staff and students of the Macuata Idake campus of the Technical College of Fiji, distinguished guests, parents and friends, Bula Binaka, and a very good afternoon to you all. For the second day in a row, I am officially opening a campus in Honolulu of the Technical College of Fiji. In this case, the Macuata Idake campus. You will have heard me say before that our education revolution is my government's proudest achievement. And part of that revolution is to train as many of our young people as possible in the trades we need to take our nation forward. So I'm delighted to be back in this beautiful part of Fiji as we celebrate the great advance we have made by providing the students here with the opportunity to gain level 2 certificates in automotive mechanical engineering and carpentry. I know many of you including the Turanga Tuinondongo and the Sanatan Dharam Committee, had been asking for such a campus to be established in Macuata for a long time. And I'm very pleased that we have been able to bring this facility to you and are already training 89 students to be mechanics and carpenters, with the prospect of offering more courses in the future in such things as plumbing and welding. I want to repeat what I told those present at the other formal opening yesterday at the Technical College of Fiji, the Ratu campus in Bua, as well as the thrill we all feel about our Rugby Sevens team winning gold in Rio. We are also privileged to be living in a golden age for Fiji. And this campus and the training you students are receiving are an important part of that, because never before in Fijian history have so many of our young people have access to education. The free schooling and scholarships and tertiary loans that are a feature of our education revolution, plus the specialist training in colleges like this that are equipping you with skills to cover out a better life for yourselves and also help us continue to build the new Fiji. I'm very proud that my government has fulfilled its promise to set up a network of campuses like this throughout the country to instruct our young people in the various trades our nation needs. We now have 3 campuses of the Technical College of Fiji operating in Honolulu, in Lambasa, in Bua, and Macuata. And these are wonderful assets for Honolulu and for Fiji, because they are important building blocks in our plan to build the North and also take our nation to the next level. Here in Macuata, these level 2 national certificates in automotive mechanical engineering and carpentry are now available to students from 56 communities across the province. And to those students, I want to say this: if you work hard and complete these courses, they will transform your prospects of earning a decent, sustainable living. These are formal education, formal qualifications that will be recognized all over Fiji. So we are also broadening your horizons and giving you what you need to earn a living, not only here in the North, but the whole of Fiji and beyond. In a wider sense, we are laying out a vision for our people of a skilled nation, a vision for our people of a skilled nation, an educated nation, in which no young person who wants to work hard and improve their lives is prevented from doing so. A nation in which no one is left behind. When you eventually get your certificates, you will be part of the army of tradespeople in Fiji. Fiji is creating to take our nation forward. That is why it is a golden age for you and everyone like you at the 11 other technical colleges of Fiji campuses around the country. Because we are empowering you in a way your parents and grandparents could only dream of. And we are empowering our nation in a way that Fijians of previous generations could never ever imagine. You will have heard me talking about the importance of teamwork, of all of us following the example of our Rugby Sevens team. They took on the world and won gold. And Fiji as a nation can do the same. Fiji will do the same if we all work together as a team. Each of you will use the skills you are learning here to help build up the skills base of our nation. All those things any nation needs to be successful, whether it is the mechanics or carpenters that you will eventually become, or any number of other things our young people are studying at the technical college campuses throughout Fiji. Like our Rugby Sevens team, our nation intends to be great. And I want to fire your imaginations about what is possible if we all set our eyes on the goal of being winners and work as a nation, work as a team. The prospects for every Fijian are better now than at any time in our history. But we can only be great if we stick together. One nation, one people, looking out for each other, caring for each other, and making sure we take everyone with us on our journey forward. That is why I place so much emphasis on developing those parts of Fiji, like the North, that still don't have all of the facilities enjoyed by those living on Viti level. It is simply not good enough for many people up here to be deprived of the things that people take for granted on our main island. Good roads, electricity, water, proper health care, and efficient communications. As I've said many times before, I will not rest as Prime Minister until every Fijian, no matter where they are, has the same level of services. And that, of course, includes access to proper training facilities at campuses like this. As I told your fellow students in Bua yesterday, not that long ago, you would have all had to travel to Vitilevu or perhaps Lambasa to gain access to the training you are now beginning to take for granted much closer to home. Now, you can be near your families and friends and parents and still acquire the formal qualifications that previous generations could never acquire in the North. And you have a choice. You can stay up here and use those skills to help us develop the North and help achieve its full potential. Or you can venture out into the wider world, because we value every single person and we want you to fulfill your full potential. We want you to achieve your full potential. It is a wonderful part of Fiji and deserves better than the years of neglect you suffered under previous governments. And I promise you that over time, you will see more improvements to add to those Fiji First government has already delivered. Students, ladies and gentlemen, I want to close by thanking the local people here who joined hands with the government to make this campus possible. Thank you for the traditional welcome you have given me today and the enthusiasm with which you have greeted me. And I wish you the very best as a community, as well as each and every one of your students as they work to pursue their dreams. God bless you all.
Can we have the ladies who will be taking part in the naked to get ready?
Bola. Hah? Tadi? Belum. Oh, ini lebih. Oh, nak. Nah, turun tal. Nah, belum. Nah. Baru coaching warna reni. Mendalakin college. Ini takkan nak kalau ngategir kita na turun mana kurni bulingo. Nah, boleh. Nak boleh. Nak.
Saka.
to. Hindi ta morto ida, may ta bertungan na tuwa na to. Araw ni uto.